Mosaic AI is one of the most exciting AI tools to hit the market, and in this review, I'll cover 7 crucial things you need to know about it before diving in. If you're considering trying out Mosaic AI, make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to share some exclusive insights that could save you a lot of time and effort. First off, let's talk about what makes Mosaic AI stand out in the crowded world of artificial intelligence software. Unlike many other tools that claim to do it all, Mosaic AI is hyper-focused on delivering targeted results with cutting-edge machine learning models. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a business owner, this software is designed to make your tasks easier, faster, and more efficient, all while minimizing the complexity that usually comes with advanced AI tools. Mosaic AI comes with an intuitive interface that's user-friendly for even those with little to no technical background. What sets it apart is the adaptive learning capabilities, which means that the software gets better and smarter as you use it. This constant evolution of performance ensures that it's not just a tool, but an asset that becomes increasingly valuable over time. One of the most powerful features of Mosaic AI is its predictive analytics engine. Whether you're looking to forecast market trends, optimize digital marketing campaigns, or improve customer targeting, this software allows you to make data-driven decisions with greater accuracy. It's like having a data scientist on your team without the high costs or complexity of traditional data analysis. But what about automation? Mosaic AI doesn't just analyze data, it can take action too. By automating repetitive tasks like content creation, social media scheduling, and even customer interactions, you free up time to focus on what really matters, growing your business and increasing revenue. The best part is, you don't need to set up complex workflows. Mosaic's automation works seamlessly with your existing processes. Another area where Mosaic AI excels is in content generation. If you're in digital marketing, you know how important it is to create content consistently. With Mosaic AI, you can quickly generate high-quality copy, blog posts, product descriptions, and even ad copy with minimal input. It's as easy as typing a few keywords, and the software takes care of the rest. Mosaic AI also integrates effortlessly with your existing tools. Whether you use Google Analytics, HubSpot, or other CRM software, Mosaic connects with these platforms to provide a more comprehensive overview of your data, which allows you to make smarter decisions faster. You don't need to switch between multiple apps. Everything you need is in one place. Now, I know you might be wondering about pricing. Good news, Mosaic AI offers a free trial, so you can test out all its features before committing. Just head to the first link in the description to get started for free. You'll be able to experience firsthand how this software can boost your productivity and streamline your workflows. To wrap things up, Mosaic AI is a game changer for anyone looking to leverage AI to boost productivity, automate tasks, and gain deeper insights into their business operations. With its powerful features, ease of use, and constant learning capabilities, it's quickly becoming a must-have tool for marketers, business owners, and anyone who wants to stay ahead of the competition. If you're interested in testing out Mosaic AI or any other top-rated AI software, I've got some recommendations in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I trust the most to help you reach your goals faster and more efficiently. Don't forget to check out the links below, and thanks for watching.